Welcome to Chuck Food Reviews and more.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Chuck Food Reviews. And today we got us Pringles roasted turkey. Just some time to roast some turkey for Thanksgiving or whenever you want to get hot. So here they go. They got another one like this limited edition. They got another one stuffed and I don't know where that's at. We got these at the El Kroger roll. Here we go. Oh, pop it. Oh, you can't pop it. Once you pop it, you can't stop it. So, we have the turkey. It just looks like a regular chip. A regular Pringle chip. Smells good. Oh. Dang. It tastes turkey. It does taste like a turkey. How good. Tastes just like a roasted turkey. This right here getting a 4.9 out of 5. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and pick up some more of these.